Yo, man. Wow, man. What you got? Oh, man, you sideways, fool.
Sideways.
Oh, what you say? Oh, wait, hold on.
Is that better?
Hey, bro. I mean, at least you look good. At least the beard is looking good on you, man. You ain't got that
Uh,
gray hair.
this is actually cut. I cut this pretty low before Christmas again because it'll grow out pretty quick, but
That's fucking. I don't know, man. I can't even grow a beard. All right, so this is the spin wheel.
hilarious.
Yeah, man. This wheel makes me kind of dizzy. Look at these cool colors. All right, let's see what we got here.
All right.
What core value is being tested in this moment? Damn. Damn, homie. That's a good question. Now let's find out what random video we get selected. And what video is it selecting? Bada bing.
I mean, just off the clip itself,
What core value?
well, I wouldn't pick like the normal like military core values. I would pick like an internal core value, but I would say courage, like courageous in the moment, like faith, being courageous, knowing where you're at, knowing like how he said like he asked who to send. I said me. Like
That's a wild, wild statement to even make, too.
yeah.
The situation they're in, you know.
Yeah.
I like how the movie kind of makes you feel like you're in the tank with them. It's
Yeah.
like, that's a scary, scary situation. I would never want to be in that.
Hell no. Hell no.
It's-
You
I
see,
kind
it's
of,
crazy. You see in those moments when you're possibly at your lowest point where you're broken down as far as you can go, and there's still enough left in you to be strong, to move forward, to laugh, to smile, you know, to have that faith to move forward is absolutely crazy. Knowing that you have those people to depend on and shit like that, like knowing those are your brothers, knowing that you would die for those people, knowing that you probably will die for those people. Like that's that's courage, man. That's like in the moment, scared, senseless, and still moving forward.
I think that kind of has a lot in common too when it comes to like relationships because it's like you're making a lot of. I read something the other day where it's like being a parent is not easy. None of it is easy, and a lot of it's like you remember when we were at the restaurant and my Lonnie threw up and you just caught it. It was like
Yeah.
these things you just randomly do, and it's funny because you compare that with somebody who doesn't have that kind of like courage or has that kind of skill set. It's like they don't really even step up to the plate.